Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate responses in Google Forms. If you've been collecting data through Forms and noticed some responses appearing more than once, this tutorial will help you clean up your data and ensure accuracy in your records. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that has access to the form you want to work with, as this is essential for viewing and managing your responses. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This displays all the forms you've recently created or edited. Browse through and click on the specific form that contains the responses you want to export and clean up. This will open the form in edit mode. Now shift your focus to the top toolbar where you'll see several tabs. Click on Responses to view all the submissions you've received so far. This is where you can see an overview of your form data and access various options for managing it. In this Responses section, look for a button that says Link to Sheets. If you've already linked your form to a spreadsheet previously, you'll see an option that says View in Sheets instead. Click on the appropriate option based on your current setup. A dialog box will appear giving you two choices. You can either create a new spreadsheet to house your form responses, or select an existing spreadsheet if you prefer to add the data to one you've already set up. This flexibility allows you to organize your data however works best for your workflow. If you decide to create a new spreadsheet, type your desired spreadsheet name into the provided field. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify this data later. Once you've entered the name, click Create. Google will generate a new spreadsheet and automatically populate it with all your form responses. This process might take a moment if you have a lot of data, so be patient while it loads. Now you should be viewing your spreadsheet with all the form responses displayed in rows and columns. Here's where the cleanup begins. Click on the small box at the intersection of the row numbers and column letters to highlight all the data in your sheet. This selects every cell containing information, which is necessary for the duplicate removal process to work properly. With all your data selected, navigate to the top toolbar and click on Data. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Data Clean. This will open another submenu with various tools designed to help you organize and clean your information. Look for the option that says Remove Duplicates and click on it. A final dialog box will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click Remove Duplicates one more time to execute the cleanup. Google Sheets will scan through all your selected data, identify any rows that are exact duplicates, and remove them automatically. You'll see a notification telling you how many duplicate rows were found and removed, and there you have it. Your Google Forms responses are now clean and free of duplicates, giving you accurate data to work with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.